Hi, in front of me is OUKITEL WP23, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to download or locate an app called Files by Google Developer. When you find it, click on it. Then select Browse at the bottom in the middle. And last but not least, click on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!